Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a really quick wash and go using the Gorila Snot gel on my natural hair. As you guys can see, my hair is freshly washed. This is my hair with absolutely no product in it, so we're just going to begin this from scratch. I'm just going to start by sectioning off my hair. I find that when I do things in sections, it definitely takes less time and it's a lot easier, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just separating my hair into some smaller workable sections, and then I'm gonna go in with the Miracle Hemp Hair Oil from World of Hair. I love this stuff so much. I'm just gonna apply some of this to each section just before I go in with the Gorila Snot gel, and this is just going to kind of condition slash moisturize my hair a little bit. Now I'm gonna take the Gorila Snot. It's my first time using this all over my hair. I've used it on my edges before, but I'm just gonna take a generous amount and just apply that all over each section. I'm gonna apply the product first and then rake it through. You guys know this is the motion that you need to form the curls when you're doing a wash and go, so I'm basically just going to rake the product through my hair. And you guys will see me apply water to my hair from a spray bottle. That's because some of the sections began to get dry, so I'm basically just going to mist my hair, apply the World of Hair Miracle Hemp Hair Oil, and then I'm going to go in with the Gorila Snot, just basically that kind of sequence to get my hair to get curly. And I basically want to try to rake the product through all of the sections, making sure that everywhere is properly coated with the product. That way when it dries, I won't have to worry about the curls not looking right. So this side is done. I'm going to move on to the next side, and after I've completed everything, this is how it looks. I'm not 100% pleased with how the curls are. They are formed, but I'm not pleased, so I'm just going to go in with a comb and just comb through. That way it will probably distribute the product a little bit better than how it is already distributed. And this, as you guys can see, the white film, as I said, once your hair is dry, that won't be there, so don't worry about it too much. But I'm just also going to kind of shake my hair out. This is going to give you a lot of volume and allow your curls to be way more stretched. So basically this is how the hair looks after. Alright guys, so this is my hair after being about like 40 to 50% dried. I just sat around the house a bit for it to dry so that I could get to come back to tell you guys a bit about this gel. Just a short review to tell you guys what to expect if you're using this. It's not 100% dry, but I don't know if this flakes. I've heard that it flakes a little bit, but then again, I kind of did have that problem with the Eco Style, which is what I normally use, so I don't think I'm going to make that a big deal if it does flake. But I don't know if I should look out for that because it's not 100% dry, as I said. But for the most part, the curls are looking very, very beautiful. It smells amazing, number one. It's very affordable, and also I really like the fact that it has a lot of slip, so it makes the wash and go easy. It makes the curls easy to form. This was literally the quickest wash and go I've ever done in all my time of doing wash and goes, and it only took me a few minutes. Normally with the Eco Styler, I have to be doing a little bit more work to get the curls to form, and I have to be using a lot more product. With this, I think it's because of the consistency of the gel. It really forms the curls quickly and easily, so it's less effort. So definitely if you are rushing through and you want to do a wash and go that's going to be quick and effortless, definitely try the Gorila Snot. I would definitely recommend that you purchase it if you're thinking of purchasing it. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just giving you guys my opinion on this gel that I paid for with my own moolah. If you guys want some other cool hair tutorials that you haven't seen from me as yet, I do have a couple of those linked in the description bar, so you can go ahead and watch those, including my wash day routine if you guys want to see how I wash my hair. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. It's at NaturallyMsToya for everything: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Snapchat. And you guys can follow me for more hair inspiration. I post like short videos and cool stuff like that. So go ahead and follow me on there. I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.